Assalamu alaikum students. Today, in this video we will tell you how to calculate your result in GPA. First of all, we need a calculator. For that, you will go to your Play Store, and there is an application called Easy GPA Calculator. You can see the icon in front of it. You will install it and open it. This way the application will open. And after that we have two options here. Today we will see how to calculate our GPA. So you have to click on GPA, and after that you have to mention your name here. And you have to write the total subjects of that semester. If you have studied 5 subjects, then you will write 5 here. If you have studied 4, then you will write 4. If you have studied 6, then you will write 6. So we will mention 6 subjects here and submit. After that we will mention the details of subject 1 here. So first we will write the obtained marks. You will get the obtained marks from your result sheet. As you can see it together, these are your obtained marks. I write the marks 38.88, as it will pick only one digit after the point. 2 digits cannot be written here. So you will write 1 digit here, and you have to write the total number of that subject. How many total numbers of that subject? So you will see your total marks on the result sheet. So this is the subject of 60 number. If it is a subject of 2 credit hours, then we will choose 2. If it is 3, then we will choose 3. If it is 60 number, then we will choose 3. After that, we will put the marks of the next subject, 27.88. 6 will not come, only 3 will come. So we will add the total marks. 60 is also there, and it also has 3 credit hours, subject number 3, so it has 55.20 marks, and this is also subject of 60 marks, and it also has 3 credit hours, then subject 4. So here we have obtained marks 33.60. So here we will write, and this subject is of 40 marks. It has 40 marks, and it has 2 credit hours. You can see the credit hours and total marks on your result sheet, and you will mention it here. Then we will go to subject 545.60, and it has 60 total marks. Then credit hours again, 3. Then we have subject 6. We will write obtained marks, and we will enter total marks, and we will choose 3 credit hours. And at the bottom, we will click on Get GPA. It will do calculation, and here you will get detailed show of your GPA, and percent here GPA, and percent there can be some point difference. So this point difference which we had in previous point, it will not be written in point. So because of that, there will be 1 or 2 point difference. And I hope you have understood this video. If you still did not understand, if you did not know how to calculate your GPA, then you can contact me. Thank you so much.